Hello, hello, hello. I'm going to be doing a hairstyle look that I usually do on myself with my short hair. So it's really super easy to do. I have my brush, I have my comb, and I also have a couple bobby pins. These hair pieces that I get as well. So I can use that too. I'll show you exactly how I use this one right here. So basically I start off by pulling my hair all the way back. There we go. That way you can see the back of my head. But so this is what I do. I am just pulling it all in a ponytail. As you can see that my hair is pretty short, but I have enough to be able to pull in a small little ponytail, as you can see. After I do that, and since I'm going to be using this right here, that's going to go right there. So this part right here, I'm pulling forward a little bit. And I am going to give it a little tease. A little tease. As you can see there. And then what I like to do is I like to smooth it out a little bit. See, I can either let it go like this with a little bang, or I can pull it back, whatever I want to do for the time being. And I'm pulling it all the way back tonight. Okay, so what I do with this part right here is I just kind of scoop it like I'm doing, and I slightly pinch it right here in the middle. So I'm not really like taking all of it, taking a bobby pin, and I'm going to go in the same direction as my twist there, and you see how I did that there? I'm going to take the bobby pin and I'm going to flip it like that. And then also you can, that's how you can hide your bobby pins as well, by doing the little flip, and they stay in a lot better too. But I'm going to do one more as well. Just right here, and I'm going to flip it, and what I do with that one is I go inside the other bobby pin, so that way they kind of clasp together like this. I'm also giving myself some height back there, so I'm going to turn around. I don't know if you could see that, but yeah, I gave myself a little bump it. Okay. So, next, now that I got myself a little bump, sometimes I can go a little bit more, so what I do is I kind of push, pull a little bit, just a little bit, but not too much, just to kind of loosen it up a little bit. And then I also like to take a couple bobby pins. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I do back here. So I like to hide this a little bit too, so what I did was I took it right behind my ear, a piece of the hair, and I just pulled it down like this. And what you can do to hide that is you can actually take a bobby pin, and I'm going to do that here in a second, but I'm going to do both sides as well. And that's to hide the band right here, and it also helps hold the band up as well. So I'm going to do the same thing on this side too, using my mirror. So as you can see, I'm just folding my hair over the top of the band, so that way, you know, like pearly band or something like that, which would be completely fine for you to leave it that way. But all right, so now that I got both of these here, I got my bobby pin in my hand. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take it both with my finger, and I'm going to hold both pieces underneath. And this is the hair that I pulled over the sides, and I'm taking my bobby pin, and I'm going to do the same thing that what I did on top, but I'm taking one side first, and then I'm going to scoop it over here, grabbing the other side of the bobby pin, and flipping it, just like I did the top. So that way it kind of grabs it. And then also to hide this right here, you can take another bobby pin, like I do here. And sometimes, like, you know, when I push this up to make a little bit more height, I like to take a piece of hair, and usually it's like a longer piece underneath, and I like to take them both like this and go around like this. And at the same time, I'm going to give it a little twist, so that way it somewhat hides the band here. And depending on how many bobby pins you want to use, I'm just going to take one, like I did the top and the underneath. I'm going to take the bobby pin and I'm going to flip it, grabbing that hair that I used to twist. And since my hair is super short, I can play with it. You know, I can cover that more, and that's actually a really big bulky thing. But as you can see, that is my quick little hairstyle. And I have my trusty Frizz Police now instead of hairspray, which has been completely awesome. So all I do is do a couple pumps of that. As you can see, I have some flyaways. This is perfect. I love it because it smells really good too. If you like the smell of coconut. But so I'm just going to take it and smooth out my hair, but still kind of push it up so that way I still have a little bit of that bump, and I can really smooth it back like this. I love it. It makes my hair shiny too. So I don't even have to use any hairspray whatsoever, and I don't have to flat iron either. So there we go. I'll show you again what it looks like in the back, in the side, and in the back. So I hope you all enjoyed that look, if you have short hair like me. And this is actually a style that you can use for medium length. You can do it for longer hair as well, but the longer that your hair gets, the higher your bump can get, and then also the harder it can get too when you go to pull it back, because you have to pull all that hair out. And when it's short like this, it comes out really easily when you pull it out a little bit. So share the video, so just in case somebody else, you know, that has short hair, or even, you know, for their kiddos, their girlies, you know, they can have a little style for them to be able to do. And then also these are super cute too to add along with it. All right, good night everyone. We'll talk to you later. Bye.